Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel! Okay, so
today we're going to make a drawing thing.
Okay. We are going to make a beautiful picture that you can hang on your wall. What you need first is you need a canvas or a picture frame. You can use either. You also need colored paper. We are going to make ours looking like a rainbow. So I've chosen all the colors of the rainbow, as you see. Okay, let's start with red. So what we're going to do, we're going to fold it up in half, so we don't have to cut it 100 times.
Like
we're going to
20.
need a lot of hearts, a lot of hearts. I'm going to cut this up like this. In half again, and then in half again.
And then we're going to cut it out.
And then one more time. So we want to end up with very small hearts. Now instead of drawing a full heart, all you have to do is draw half a heart. So you can cut this part. Cut it really slowly so that you can end up with a really beautiful heart.
Mommy, we're working so fast.
You're
so fast. You're so a talented girl.
We're working like a team.
Working like a team.
We're going to try to pick up each heart and stick it where we took it from.
Yeah, it's going. You know, it's hard because you might not remember where it is.
No. So you just try to remember where it is, okay? And just try to stick right here where it's folded, okay? Because you don't want them to be, you don't want to put glue on these sides because then you'll have a heart that's stuck completely onto the canvas, or you want it to be flapping a bit. So we still want it to have the sides coming out.
So it's like the wings are, so it's like butterflies but different because they're hearts.
So you see, just like that. Don't worry if they're starting to look like they're flat on the canvas, because once they're dry, you can squeeze the sides up and they will look perfect. They'll look three-dimensional.
So now we finished sticking all the hearts on the canvas.
Yes, perfect. And now we need to wait for it to dry before we do anything, because we don't want anything to come off. So while it's drying, we're going to do the shape that's going to be on the bottom. And it's going to be a silhouette, so it's going to be in black paper. And a silhouette means you don't have a face on, it's just a shadow. So it could be anything. It could be a girl, a boy, it could be a cat, a doggy. Honestly, it could be a sheep. It could be anything, right, Cece?
Yeah, whatever you love.
What do you want to be? Do you want to be Cece? This is the black part. I'm going to actually draw a girl on this side, and then we're going to cut it out.
It's going to be me!
If you don't want to draw this by hand, you can go onto your computer and you can download a picture of a girl or a boy. Or I'm just going to draw a picture of Celine holding
holding the balloons.
So as you see, this is the picture that I've drawn, and I'm going to cut it out really carefully so that it looks really nice on the canvas. So I've glued this on,
and now
once it dries,
we're going to cut it out, and then we can stick it on our rainbow picture.
Okay. So we're taking a half an hour, waiting for everything to dry.
Yeah.
We're going to grab a bite, and then we'll come back and finish this project.
Yeah!
Now that it's dried, I'm folding them in. I'm not scared of them coming out of the canvas because the glue is already dried up. So now I'm done. Alright, so we're going to be sticking this little silhouette that I stuck onto a little white foam and cut up.
Whatever
right here.
It doesn't matter, but you need something to
So I'm going to be sticking it like this. So what I'm going to do first, before I actually stick it on, I'm going to put the point of where her hand is, okay? Right here. The silhouette hand's going to be. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a ruler and just draw a few lines coming out of the balloons, of the heart.
Ooh, this one after?
Yeah. To that point. And they all have to join right here, see? Are we ready to stick this on? Yeah?
Yeah, one.
Okay, stick it on, make sure. It looks amazing! Celine, I love it! Look at that, she's dangling from the canvas. Should we show them?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll show them.
No, like this. Like this, okay? Put your hand, okay, say. So thank you for watching. We hope you like this. And we're gonna hang this in Celine's room. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, goodbye.
Goodbye.